Hey guys, happy May. So two things I've done during this quarantine is clean out my closet, and I also want to try to improve my sewing skills. With sewing, I've only really done my Mickey ears, make masks for this quarantine, and hemmed one of my sweatshirts. I've never been taught how to sew. Everything I know is from YouTube University. So I kind of want to try to step it up, especially since we have all this time on our hands now. So one thing that I really want to do is I want to make this dress into a two-piece. Cinco de Mayo is this week, so it's perfect time to do it. I always feel just so boxy, and I feel like I look like my grandma, even though it's not a bad thing. But I just kind of want to make it more modern, try to switch it up. So wish me luck. Again, I do not know how to sew. And also, if it comes out bad, I'll blame Cinco de Mayo because I have started drinking already, so just blame it on the alcohol.
Items you'll need to make this dress into a two-piece are your dress, of course, an iron, some elastic, a tape measure, some scissors, and a pencil.
Okay, so I'm gonna grab elastic and a pencil. Normally I don't like crop tops too short, so I do want it longer, but with this embroidery it kind of makes it difficult. So I'm just actually gonna go as close to this embroidery that I can and make my little line. And then I'll probably put the elastic somewhere in this area so that way I don't interfere with here. So I'll go ahead and notate that as well.
Since the garment is pleated at the top, I went ahead and folded it at the armpits so that way it would lay completely flat. And it's not going to be completely straight because the embroidery on the left is higher than the right.
So from here I have two pieces now. I didn't want to leave this with the raw edge, but it's already too short to give it a hem for my liking, so we're just gonna leave it like this and hope it doesn't fray too bad.
Next, I went ahead and grabbed my elastic, measured at my waist, and made a mark where I wanted to cut it at.
Okay, so next you're gonna grab your skirt and flip it inside out. Sorry, I cannot see where y'all are at, so if the frame is really bad, I apologize. So, gonna place my elastic, fold it down, and mark where it's at.
Once you're finished marking, you're going to remove your elastic, fold it down, and press your seams. You're going to want to do this for the front and the back. Instead of using pins, I like using hair clips to hold the fabric in place. I ended up using a zigzag stitch on the bottom. Sorry, I cannot tell you why. I just figured it would be better than a straight stitch. Sorry, this is the worst frame ever, but I made a slit on the inside and then slid the elastic through the hole. Once I got the elastic all the way through, I got the ends and sewed them down together. So here's the result. The skirt did end up coming out a little big, but let's be real, with this quarantine, I need the extra room just in case. The top did end up fraying really bad, so I went ahead and added a hem. I'm trying to keep these hem as low as possible because the top was already too short to my liking. This fabric accidentally went on top, and so I started freaking out, but I think that's how you're supposed to do hems. Wow, I love learning things on accident. And here's the final result. Thanks for watching. I promise the next 2 videos will be Disney related.